Hello, my name is David, and the purpose of this video is to demonstrate what it looks like to work through a course at Western Governors University. So when you first navigate and come to your my.wgu.edu page, it'll bring you to kind of a dashboard where you can see a lot of different information. So you have your mentor up here in the top left-hand corner. We have how far you are in your progress for completing your program. Maybe in the term, and then over here we've got your program progress. So you've got your progress for your entire program. Down here it has the courses that you've completed and passed, but then also it has maybe some courses that you're in right now. I have completed these ones in green down here, and now it's time to work on some others. So this video is actually for the technology design portfolio, so I'll tap on that. And we can kind of look at what a course might look like. So when you open your course, on the right-hand side, you'll have your course instructor and contact information over there. Down here, there's announcements and course tips. Course tips are very helpful. They kind of are the outline of what the whole course might look like. I recommend using the course tips often. That will really give you a quick snapshot of what needs to happen. From there might be a launch materials button in here. There might be, just the course materials within the assignment or within the course. My recommendation is to go to the assessments right away, and that way you can kind of just get an idea of what it is that you need to do to be successful in the course. So as you can see, I've submitted the first 2 tasks for this course already, and I'm waiting to hear back from my evaluation. So I submitted this submitted this task on the 6th. I should hear back 3 days later. I submitted this task on the 8th. Again, 3 days later is when I should hear see my results. This video is for task 3 right now. I'm making my multimedia presentation here to just kind of see what's going on. So if we want to know what we need to do for the task, you'll tap on View Task, and it gives you very general and then more specific requirements for the tasks that you need to get done. So make sure you read this carefully so you complete everything that needs to be done, and you don't get your task returned for maybe a reason that you just should have looked at the first time. The rubric is the best way to know what it is you need to do to be successful. Make sure, honestly, I don't even really look at these 2, not evident or approaching competence. I mostly just look at what I need to do to be competent and make sure I hit each one of these components to be competent. So if some of these look confusing or like I don't know what they mean, that's when I'll go back to this course material, and then I'll really focus in and take notes or develop strategies and read and reread and annotate the text to know what it is I need to do to be successful in the course and to learn the material. This is where it's kind of up to you to learn the material. Either you take notes, maybe you make flashcards, maybe you reread certain areas, but whatever it is that you need to do to be a successful student, this is the option for you to do that. So we've got chapters in the books. Let's open one as an example so you can see what that looks like. And so we've got an online textbook that you can use to maybe highlight or take notes or quote or whatever it is you need to do to absorb the material. In this case, this is enhancing learning with audio and video. I feel pretty confident in this, and so I'm not maybe going to read this as closely. I might skim it for information, but once I feel like I'm good to go, then I will jump back in and look at my course materials again until you feel comfortable completing this assessment. Once you do feel comfortable completing your assessment, you'll tap on the Assessments tab again, tap on View Task, and then tap on Submissions. It'll ask if you're ready to begin your submission. You'll tap on Begin. And then if you need to drag a file here, you can. If you need to type in a URL, you can do that here. You can title it as well. If you need to make comments to the person evaluating your work, you can do that down here. When you're finished, tap Submit, and then you're back to waiting and seeing what you need to do to either improve your work and receive credit, or if you pass the first time, congratulations, you're good to go. So that's what a task might look like, or that's what a course would look like, kind of from start to finish, a bird's eye view without getting into too many details. Again, my recommendation is starting with assessments, seeing what you need to do to be successful, and then jumping back in the course material to see if there's any information that can supplement your learning to be successful in your tasks. I hope that helps you know what it is you need to do to complete a course for Western Governors University. Have a good day.